What is good? Got another airsoft gun review. And yes, it is what most of you like seeing. Another Glock. As you can see right there, is another Glock. But this one does come in its nice case. Very case right here. Just pretty nice. Instead of like the other Glocks that come in the cardboard boxes, this does come in a nice hard case. It's plastic, but it is pretty nice. You can carry it around easily. I mean, that's what it's made for, but you know. Alright, so as you can see right here, it's obviously licensed by Glock. It says Glock Perfection. Yeah, this is a CO2 airsoft gun right here. So this is CO2. This isn't green gas, so this one is gonna be a bit more powerful because it is CO2. The velocity it claims with 0.20 grams is 335. You can see right there. That's blowback. Yeah, CO2. That holds 23 rounds. Or 23 BBs. But they like calling it rounds. Okay. Glock 34 right there. Officially licensed product of Glock, as always. Oh yeah, and it does say it includes bonus back straps. So there's that. You get some warning down here. And on the back side of the box, get just the Glock 34. More warnings. Alright. I'll go ahead and take that off. Open up the Glock 34. As we got right here. That nice Glock logo. Both sides of the case. Alright. Make sure I don't hold it the wrong way. Alright. Got it. And it does come protected pretty nicely. And this nice cushion foam. Get that Glock 34. You got a back strap and the Allen key to turn the CO2. Back here, get some instructions. And I think so. Do not return this product to store thing right there. Instruction manual right there for the Glock 34. Now this Glock 34, it is a bit longer than the Glock 17 or Glock 18C. So yeah, this isn't a standard Glock size. No, this is a pretty good sized Glock. It's about like 10 inches end to end, I would say. Need a measuring tape for that, but I mean, come on, like it is pretty long, as you can see. You can see the trades right there. You get Glock right there. Gen 34, Gen 4, my bad. Austria. And you get the caliber size 9x19 right there. Moving down the slide, you get the nice slide serrations right there to grip on the slide pretty well. Slide is metal as always with the any Glock. The frame is polymer. Trigger with some metal parts. It's plastic. It's got a nice texture that is in Gen 4. So there's that. Get the other side of the gun. Then you get that officially licensed by Glock, or a product of Glock. Got a nice little Glock logo right there. Get the Serial numbers right there, both matching, so you know that the parts aren't mixed. And at the top of the slide, hit the caliber once again, 9x19, Glock 8. Alright. Get a opening on the top of the slide. Has a real one. The Glock 34 does have that. So the barrel cools down a bit faster so it's not covered up. Get the standard Glock sights, rear bucket sights, and white, and the white at the front. Magazine right here. It is full size, semi full size, because I mean, as you can see on the side, it isn't closed in like the Glock 17 magazine, that CO2, the one I reviewed about a while ago. But yeah, that one was CO2, and the magazine was closed off, and this one isn't. So it is kind of a downer that it isn't closed off. But yeah, I mean, it works. It works. And has a pretty good seal on it as well. Though you can't even hear any hissing noise when you turn it, so that is a plus. You know, that on the back, another Glock logo, Austria, UCO2 only. You can see right there. It's all metal besides the feeding lip, plastic, which, yeah, I don't know. They should start making these metal, even though I haven't had a problem with them yet, but I feel like in the long run they might end up breaking. So who knows? But I have it loaded up already, as you can see. Fresh CO2 tank on the bottom. Get another Glock logo right there. This base plate is plastic, and I got this hole right here, so you could insert the L key. You could screw the CO2 inside. Alright, well, let's get to the shooting video of this. The chronoing of this Glock. The slide does get damaged a bit, and on the websites they do claim this is the Glock Deluxe edition. I mean, I don't know really what they mean of that. It's probably because it comes in the Glock case, which, to me, honestly, yes, it comes in the Glock case, but I've compared this Glock to the other Glocks I've shown and reviewed, the 18C, the 45, the 19X, you know, all those other Glocks that they make, and I really don't see a I don't see like anything different. I even took off the slides to compare them. It looks like they're constructed the same, even though they say the slide is CNC machined. I really don't know if that's true, because I mean, it literally feels the same. But this is a higher priced Glock, probably just because of the case. They say the internals are more reinforced. I'm not sure. It just seems like it's the same. But here we go. If you can see that, it is on .20's first shot. Oh man. Here we go. Got a wrecked slide. First shot. Ooh, okay, yeah. I don't know if that's true. If that's right, but you can see it says it's claiming 550, 1.9 FPS, and the Joule it's reading it at 2.83. Yeah, with 0.20 gram BBs. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. Ooh. Yeah, there's no way. Hit 72.3, 786.5. Yeah, this this is due to the CO2 that that is like fresh CO2, no tank inside of it. So due to that, the FPS is gonna be really high. Alright, that's more accurate right there. 385.9 per shot that it is pretty accurate. And the joule is 1.38. So it is a little bit more powerful than the green gas powered Glocks, definitely, but not by much. Alright, now it's not even reading it. Yeah, it's not even reading the... Yeah, alright. Now I'm gonna be doing a quick shooting, maybe a rapid fire down over there. Now everything is safe. It is in a safe environment, so don't worry, nothing is gonna get damaged. Everything should be good. So here we go. And the right one. You can see that. Okay, there we go. Slide does lock back after the last shot. Honestly, I think that they might have called it the deluxe version because as you saw when I attempted to chrono it, the first shot, I had to rack the slide back. And if I am right, if I am correct, I don't remember, or I don't recall having to rack the slide back on the other Glocks for them to shoot. Now it does make the trigger lighter, yes, but you could still shoot it without racking the slide back. So I think that's probably another reason why it's the deluxe variant. But it is a pretty nice Glock. I do like it. But I mean there really isn't much with it. Now it has the takedown pins right here. All you gotta do is pull them down, rack the slide forward, take the slide off, go into the internals right there. Right now they're nice and looped. Maybe I reinforced a little bit. I mean, compared to the green gas ones, yes. But the Glock 17 that uses CO2, it's the same. Internals and everything. It's just the slide difference. The slide is much longer on the Glock 34. The frame, or the lower part of the gun, is the same size as the 17 or the 18. So there isn't really much of a difference right there with that. Alright. Sounds pretty nice. Alright. Let me know what you all think down in the comments down below with this Glock 34. And if you have any questions or anything you want to say, just smack talking. Alright. But yeah, if you got anything to say or your thoughts about this Glock 34, leave them down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.